Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm excited to share a simple, yet powerful beauty hack that's been used for centuries, making homemade rice toner. Rice toner is renowned for its skin-loving properties, helping to brighten, hydrate, and even smooth out fine lines. And the best part? It's incredibly easy and affordable to make right at home, so let's dive in. First, let's talk about why rice toner is so amazing. Rice is packed with nutrients like vitamin B, minerals, and antioxidants. These components can help reduce inflammation, brighten your complexion, and even diminish the appearance of pores. It's like giving your skin a refreshing drink that revitalizes it from within. Now, you might be wondering what you'll need. The ingredients are super simple. 1 cup of uncooked rice, this is your base. 2 cups of water to extract all those good nutrients. 3 a clean glass jar for storage. 4 optional a few drops of essential oil for added fragrance and benefits, like tea tree or lavender. And that's it. Simple, right? So, let's get started. 1. First, rinse the uncooked rice under cold water to remove any impurities. This will help ensure your toner is clean and safe for your skin. 2. Next, place the rinsed rice into a bowl and add 2 cups of water. Now, let it soak for about 30 to 60 minutes. This soaking process draws out all those beneficial nutrients into the water. Don't forget to give it a little stir every now and then. 3. After soaking, we're going to strain out the rice and transfer the water into our clean glass jar. If you want to add essential oils, do it now. Just a few drops will do. 4. Give it a gentle shake, and voila! You have your very own homemade rice toner. Now that we've made our toner, let's talk about how to use it. Soak a cotton pad with your rice toner and gently apply it to your cleansed face, avoiding the eye area. You can use this toner daily after washing your face, or even as a midday pick-me-up. Trust me, your skin will drink it up. And that's it, folks. You just created a skincare staple that's natural and full of goodness. It's such a simple step that can make a huge difference in your skincare routine. If you try this recipe at home, don't forget to share your results in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more beauty tips and tricks. Until next time, stay beautiful.